Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 3, Current Electricity. Resistor in series. When the three resistors are connected in such a way that they follow one after the other in a single line, these resistors are said to be connected in series. In such an arrangement, the same current flows through each resistor. If resistors are connected in series, then the same current flows through each resistor, and the effective resistance of the resistors is equal to the sum of their individual resistance, and the effective resistance is larger than each of the individual resistances, and this arrangement is used to increase the resistance in a circuit. Resistors are said to be connected in the parallel when their ends are connected at the both sides as given in the figure. If a number of resistors are connected in the parallel, then the inverse of the effective resistance is equal to the sum of the inverse of individual resistances, and the current flowing through an individual resistor is proportional to the inverse of its resistance, and the total current flowing through the circuit is the sum of the currents flowing through individual resistors, and the potential difference across all resistors is the same. The effective resistance of the resistors connected in the parallel is less than the least resistance of individual resistors. This arrangement is used to reduce the resistance in a circuit. Expression for equivalent resistance in series. Let R1, R2 and R3 be the three resistors connected in the series between point C and D as given in the circuit diagram. Suppose I is the current and V is the potential difference across the point C and D. Let the voltage across them V1, V2 and V3 respectively, then V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is the equation number 1. If RS means what? Resistors connected in series. If RS is the effective resistance between C and D, then according to Ohm's law, V equal to IRS. Then V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2 and V3 equal to IR3. Substituting all these in equation 1, then we get IRS equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Therefore, RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If n resistors are connected in the series, then RS equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, so on. Expression for equivalent resistance in parallel. Three resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected in the parallel between points C and D. V is the potential difference between C and D. Let I1, I2 and I3 be the currents flowing through R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Then the total current flowing through the circuit is I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This is the equation number 1. Let Rp is the effective resistance between C and D. According to Ohm's law, I equal to V upon Rp. Similarly, I1 equal to V upon R1, I2 equal to V upon R2 and I3 equal to V upon R3. Substituting these in equation number 1, V upon Rp equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. Therefore, 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. If n resistors are connected in the parallel, then 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, so on. Domestic electrical connections. Usually, there are 3 wires in the cable. One is called the live wire, which bring in a current. It has a red or brown insulation. The other wire is called neutral wire, through which the current returns. It is blue or black. In India, the voltage difference between the live and neutral wire is about 220 volt. The third wire is called the earth wire and is of yellow or green color. This is connected to a metal plate buried deep underground near the house and is for safety purpose. In domestic circuit, various electrical appliances are connected between live and neutral wire. The different appliances are connected in the parallel and the potential difference across every appliance is the same. Precaution to be taken while using electricity. Electric switches and sockets should be fitted at a height at which small children cannot reach and put pins or nails inside. Plug wires should not be pulled while removing a plug from its socket. One's hands should be dry while handling an electrical appliances, and as far as possible one should use the footwear with rubber sole, as rubber is an insulator. It prevents the current from flowing through our body, thereby protecting it. If a person gets an electric shock, you should not touch that person. You should switch off the main switch, and if the switch is too far or you do not know where it is located, then you should remove the plug from the socket if possible. If not, then you should use a wooden pole to push the person away from the electric wire. Before cleaning an electrical appliances, it should be switched off, and if wire is broken, then the plug removed from the socket. Thank you.